So what are you looking at, like $2 a book roughly if we bought them all?
That would be it, yes.
So 600 and change.
And then would you want the Civil War ones too?
No.
Okay.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Harley. It's got a dump on it.
Yeah, no, I know we just set it up with hers.
Roberta.
It's easier if you have an extra one too when you're like,
Oh, that's true, yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
What you're making.
Roberta, the extension cord happens to be where the tweet's at. If you want to,
Oh, okay, cool.
How much for your jackets?
I don't know which ones you like.
This one?
$5?
Sure.
There's all kinds of. If you're looking for like these kind of, there's all kinds of interesting things.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
There are Obama and all this stuff. Probably, if you really look hard enough, there's probably receipts for all that stuff. That's just in there. But inauguration things. I have a storage facility. When people don't pay, either they're gonna auction it off.
Can I give you my card?
All right, let's see what you really got here. Because this is probably like, I feel like that's like a $10 piece.
Okay, I'm gonna pass on this because I can probably only get $10 for that.
All right, well let me bring it back because I'm gonna see how much it is all together. Because maybe I'm gonna sell some more. How about with the coat, maybe $15
Perfect.
for this stuff.
You got a 5?
With the coat, right? Yeah.
All right.
You guys are kind of together, right?
Yeah.
We're kind of together.
Well, of course.
When we moved in here, we did. Yeah. And all of a sudden, I'm like,
Yes. Is video ever gonna show when you move again?
yeah,
I'm glad I saved mine.
yeah.
Well,
We don't plan on going everywhere. Like, we don't have to take
Hey. It's worth it for $2.
It's not in here, so. I feel like these ones, these compilation ones, they're not in, none of them are in here. Like, seriously?
You know me.
I saw two of his albums. Where's the one that will sell?
What's that? That's a little bit larger than a little truck. Work site?
yeah, I ran over TV, yeah.
What are you looking at?
Like, it gets stuck.
What are you looking at?
It's Crime and Punishment. These are all made by Heritage Press,
Mike?
so I guess that's what
I'm
they're
sure
all,
I
like,
do.
you can tell. See how they say Heritage? And they're all in, like, a box.
me,
I just want to see if that's working.
Jesus. Where'd you find this record?
That one?
It's the best. I've bought tons of these.
That's
And this is probably the best shape I've ever seen one of these in.
it was part of my stepfather's collection. He passed and he had all kinds of.
Jeez, this thing's never been out of the sleeve.
No, he like I said, some are still sealed, and it's not like, you know, he bought them from Walmart, you know, recently.
Right.
These were in a storage room at our house,
Yeah.
and they've been packed away, put it that way. And he even had a record player, but heck,
You never played it?
he has an 8-track player still.
Oh, yeah.
Dark, I couldn't believe it.
Oh, yeah,
I
no,
turned it
they-
on yesterday.
I've bought so many of this album.
I talked to my students about it, and they had no clue. I was like, it's like an Atari cartridge. Then it kind of hit them.
Yeah.
Somebody came in and said that this morning.
I'm back.
No, that's perfect.
How much for all of the books?
Somebody asked me that earlier,
Okay.
and I hit them up with 900
900. Okay.
because at the time we had 250.
Okay.
Now, obviously, that's been reduced, and I'm definitely able to work with the number. That's the other
Okay.
thing. I'm not dug in on 900. That was just a starting point because I wasn't ready, and like my
Okay.
wife and I were counting it first.
Right.
How many? Because again, I didn't count them up or anything.
Yeah.
I'm moving it, like I said, from my family's house,
Yeah.
and I'm definitely willing to work. So
Okay.
if you want to throw something back out, we can definitely talk.
Yeah,
and-
that's a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but I mean, it's still a really awesome deal.
and that's understandable. That's key.
Yeah.
As I said, I'm not set on 9.
Yeah.
It's just
Well, and you've reduced it already.
I have.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know we had now 3.
Okay,
I
so
apologize
was
for
it
that.
200 times, what do you think, 3?
No, again, like I said, if
So what are you looking at? Like $2 a book, roughly, if
That's
we bought
what-
them all?
that would be it, yes.
So 600 and change.
And then would you want the Civil War ones too?
No.
Okay.
Well, no.
Because like I said, don't worry. I mean, obviously,
We
the
don't do-
packs we'd throw in, but the other ones,
Yeah, no, probably just these ones.
okay.
Well, we'll have to go get my truck and come
I
back.
understand. If that was the case, like I said, I would obviously shut it down then too. That'll be cold. And you'll get the Tupperware too. I want to throw that in.
Oh.
Yes, I know. That's a heck of a deal,
Man, we
isn't
could
it?
give all this to Andy.
I mean,
So 1.7. So 230.
and I mean,
Got the
do they
lid
have
on it,
lids?
too.
Do they have lids?
We do.
They
This
have
is
all
they,
lids.
they don't have lids. This is we're
That's
walking.
right, that's
We're
the
leaving.
What about 5?
I already had that. Guy asked me earlier, and he said same thing. He'd come back with a truck.
You mean he didn't come back? Is that
Well,
why you said no?
he was playing. He was
Oh.
a professional. He came at 750,
Oh, okay.
and so, needless to say, I wasn't. I wasn't ready. First off, I was still trying to dig him out of the bins.
Yeah.
On top of that, I think he'll do a drive-by later on. I
That's
really
what
do.
these ones do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have 5? I don't know what you think.
You're at 6.
Yes, sir.
Are you gonna stick there? Can we do 550 and meet you in the middle?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay.
All right. We'll do
Sounds good.
550.
Sounds good.
Sorry, the books
We live right down the street.
Oh,
So let me give you
books are sold.
100.
all right.
Good for you,
And
eh?
then, you have another 100?
We'll give you
So we'll
2.
give you 2. So we'll
Okay.
come back with 350 in our truck,
Perfect.
probably soon.
All right, so we're back from that yard sales, and we did a thing. We bought in bulk at a yard sale. So here's part of it. These are heritage books, and we got a lot of them, like a lot of them. There's some more. They're all in like really good shape. Every bin here is filled with these books. They're collectibles, so a lot of people collect these. Pretty neat. There's that. Paid about $1.77 a book here. Some of these are very valuable. Like these 3 are actually worth right around $100 for these 3. So, and then there's like Tom Sawyer and Huck Finn. We looked that one up. That one's in the $50 range as well. So should definitely make some money off of this. There is quite a few of them. Take you on a little walk here because they're not all in the house yet. So Sarah's out here organizing all these books. And there are more.
They're unending. Look, we have all these Charles Dickens ones. And this set of 3 Sherlock Holmes, this just has to come off. It's the wax paper. And Ruby Almarcayo, I've sold that before.
Yep.
So
So
so many good ones.
there's more in here.
There's so many good ones. There's so very many good ones.
So many more.
Yeah.
Then we got that bin, that bin,
We got so many.
and that bin, full of them. And yeah, that's our bulk buy for the day.
It's a very big bulk buy.
It's a good one.
It's a very good one. I'm so excited.
Sarah's very happy.
I'm so very excited.
And it's a nice day out for once. So that's always good too. Yeah, so that's it for this video. First garage sales of the season. It was successful.
Yeah.
So
This is so very great.
you know the routine. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.
Good day, sir!